Should start. Yes. All right, students. So let us quickly start with this session, and I'll be beginning with the IUPAC naming system. If you have any doubts in the homework part, do let me know, students, so that I can solve your doubts. If not, then we can immediately go on to the steps of IUPAC naming system. Okay. There are a few students who have joined me for the first time today. Aradhya Patil, others. I hope you people have gone through the session, through the lecture recording, which Sulochna ma'am must have provided to you people. How many of you are attending this session for the first time, students? Raise your hand. How many of you are attending this session for the first time? Aradhya, okay. Prashishti Oza, yes, you were there in the foundation batches also, right, Prashishti? So no problem with you. You were very active, I still remember. I'm sure you'll be more active now. Preeti, you have attended my foundation batches, sessions in the foundation lectures? No, okay. Have you gone through this session which Sulochna ma'am had sent you, lecture recording, lecture number 1? Okay, very good. Understood everything in that lecture? Understood everything? Very good. Shabash. So, students, we have started with the chapter hydrocarbons. Okay, we have started with this chapter hydrocarbons, and in the hydrocarbons, we have done classification last time. We did common naming. Now today we are going to do IUPAC naming. Okay, and if time permits, we are going to go into the reactions also today itself. Okay, we will start with the reactions part also, which is very, very simple. Okay, it is very, very simple. So right now I want all of you to focus on the screen first of all. Do not write anything. First try to understand, students, and then towards the end of the session, by today evening actually, I'll be uploading one more video on the YouTube, and that is from one of our students, Rebecca, who is your batchmate also. She is in NEET batch, and that girl has recorded the steps of IUPAC naming system, which you're going to learn today from me. So जो आप पढ़ोगे शाम तक आपको एक स्टूडेंट ने ही ये सेम चीज रिकॉर्ड की है. यू पीपल आल्सो कैन स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग द कांसेप्ट्स. लाइक इफ यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट इज कॉमन नेमिंग सिस्टम, हाउ टू गिव कॉमन नेमिंग सिस्टम, यू पीपल कैन start recording your own videos and send it to us. How many of you have already subscribed to the channel, students? Raise your hand, let me see. How many of you have already subscribed to the channel? Okay, very good. So if not, if you have not yet subscribed, you have to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep on receiving daily updates. Okay. And I'm sure you must have seen Jyotika's video, Rebecca's video. All the students are making videos on chemistry, physics, and different concepts. So you people also get going. And I'm sure I'll be getting more videos from your side also. Okay, okay, chal, yes, let us start. Let us start. Okay, students, chalo, let us start. I hope my voice is very clear to all of you. Now, this is the first section which we'll be doing today, and that is alkane. I'm sorry, alkane IUPAC naming. Okay, alkane IUPAC naming. How to give IUPAC name to alkane? Yesterday evening, Aradhya and I remember Anurag Tiwari, which is nothing but I think Adarsh Tiwari. Both of them had sat for this session. Common naming system. Today we are into IUPAC. Okay, Aradhya, is that clear? We are into IUPAC now. Yesterday we did common naming. Yes, okay. Today we are into IUPAC. So what are the steps? First, again, let us go through the steps first, and then we will take few examples and we will solve them. So step 1, always students, step 1 is identify. Step 1 is identify longest continuous. Identify longest continuous carbon chain. Identify longest continuous carbon chain. That is my first step, students. Always I should identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Everyone has to switch on their camera. You don't have to switch off your camera. Camera should be on throughout the lecture. Okay, camera off nahi karna hai. Camera should be on. I should be able to see you people so that I can understand. अगर आपको कोई confusion है आपके face से समझ में आ जाएगा मुझे, तो I can help you. ठीक है? Okay, chalo. So identify the longest continuous carbon chain. I'll give you one example and you people tell me which one is the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, students? चलो फटाफट से जो structure मैं बना रहा हूँ screen पे आप अपने book पे भी बना लो and tell me which is the longest continuous carbon chain in this structure. Let us start. So CH3, CH2, then CH, then CH3, CH2, and CH3. So which is the longest continuous carbon chain in this compound, students? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Longest continuous carbon chain in this compound. Which is the longest continuous carbon chain in this compound? हमेशा याद रखना है, longest chain means what? From one end to the other. So you have to take your pencil, students. Okay, take your pencil. After writing down this structure, take your pencil and draw all possible chains. जितने भी possibilities हैं, you have to draw all possibilities so that you understand कि हम कैसे कैसे approach करेंगे. So possibility number 1 will be shared by Akshat. चलो अक्षत बताओ. According to you, which is your longest continuous carbon chain in this compound?
CH3 to right CH3.
Okay, you'll start from left hand side and he'll go towards right hand side. So according to Akshat, this is the longest continuous carbon chain. Correct, Akshat?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. How many carbons I'm getting over here, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Akshat, why can't I go in this pattern? Akshat, please tell me, why can't I go in this pattern like this? Why can't I include branch also, Akshat? The CH3 which is over
You
here.
have to take a U-turn.
Very good, because for that you will have to take a U-turn and that is not allowed. Correct, students? If Akshat is moving in this direction, check karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Akshat cannot return back and count this also. This is not allowed, correct? Because we are looking for the straight chain. Remember, we are looking for the straight chain. So it is not allowed to return back and count that CH3 also. Is that understood?
So, Pritesh sir, Saurabh sir here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you.
No problem, sir.
Now, सबसे पहले तो अक्षत, आदर्श, अश्वनी, and प्रीति, सोहम and त्रुषा. Very good बेटा, आप लोग ने कैमरा ऑन रख के लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हो. Proud of you, right? And other students, मोनाक, सैम, आप लोग कैमरा क्यों बंद है सबका? सैम, आराध्य, आर्यन, come on, turn on your camera everyone. कैमरा ऑन रख के ही पढ़ाई करना है हमें. दर्शित, देवेश, देवेश आप इतने ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट हो, कैसा कैमरा क्यों बंद है आपका? प्रेम बेटा, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. मानव,
सर वेबकैम नहीं है इसलिए.
तो कैमरा शुड बी ऑन ड्यूरिंग द होल सेशन. ओके, फुल सेशन में कैमरा हमें ऑन रखना है. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ये चीज दिमाग में रखिए, ठीक है? कैमरा बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, अगर कैमरा बंद है देन यू विल बी मार्क्ड एज एब्सेंट फॉर द लेक्चर. आर्यन बेटा, आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा कैमरा टिल्ट कर दीजिए आर्यन. हाँ, यस आर्यन, प्रॉपर फोन या मोबाइल फोन है तो देख लीजिए. पार्थ बेटा, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. प्रेम, सो इट्स कंपल्सरी टू टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. अगर आप कैमरा ऑन रख के लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं करते हो तो नहीं चलेगा गाइस. ओके, सो डू टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा कंपल्सरी ड्यूरिंग द सेशन. कुलजीत, मानव, खुशी, स्टिल आपका कैमरा बंद है. ओके, सो कैमरा कंटिन्यूअस ऑन रखना जरूरी है. ओके, ठीक है? मैं एवरी सेशन में आके चेक करूंगा, जिसका भी कैमरा बंद होगा उनके पेरेंट को मैं डायरेक्ट कॉल कर दूंगा. आई विल कॉल डायरेक्टली. मैं अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको बोलूंगा नहीं आपका कैमरा ऑन है ऑफ है. चलेगा स्टूडेंट्स? यस और नो? विल इट बी फाइन? रिप्लाई.
यस सर.
रेज
Yes,
योर
sir.
हैंड.
Yes, sir.
चलेगा ना? ओके, चलिए, ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Yes, sir.
आई एम लिविंग द सेशन. कंटिन्यूअस कैमरा ऑन चाहिए ड्यूरिंग द होल सेशन. आर्यन बेटा, मोबाइल का पोजीशन प्रॉपर करिए जिससे आपका फेस सर को दिखे. ओके, या आई कांट सी स्टिल. अदर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉपर, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना. आपको यही समझना है कि आप फिजिकल क्लासरूम में ही अटेंड कर रहे हो, वैसे ही आपका एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए ड्यूरिंग द सेशन. ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच. कंटिन्यू करिए सर.
Chalo, let us start, students. So, as Akshat said, this is my longest continuous carbon chain, longest continuous carbon chain, longest continuous carbon chain. I cannot include this carbon because this will come under the branch, this will come as a branch because I'll have to take a reverse turn. मुझे reverse turn लेकर इसको count करना पड़ेगा. So मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया. Okay. Now students, आराध्य will tell me, आराध्य बोलेगा कि सर ये भी तो एक possibility है सर. आपने लेफ्ट साइड से क्यों स्टार्ट किया? Why can't we start from right hand side and go upwards maybe? चेक करते हैं चलो स्टूडेंट्स. So if I start from right hand side, 1 2 3 4 ये भी चलेगा. But how many carbons are there, Akshat? Only 4. Correct, students? So yellow box में we had 5 carbons and green box has only 4 carbons. So which is the longest chain between them, students? Which one is the longest chain?
Yellow.
Yellow
Five.
box. Correct, yellow box. So I'll avoid green box I'll avoid. But you will have to draw the options, students. Always remember, draw all possibilities and then decide which one is the longest. Then you have to go ahead with the longest continuous carbon chain. This is step 1 done, students. Have all of you drawn this box? Have you done this in your book, students?
Yes.
Jaldi batao mujhe. Have you done this in your books? Shabash, chalo. So I'll delete the first step now. Okay, I'll delete the first step now and I'll go ahead to the second step. So step 1 is done. Step 1 is always, if whenever I will give you any structure, if I ask you, give me IUPAC name of this compound, first thing that you should do is, you should identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, you will always go in the stepwise pattern, students. Step 2, aa jate hain, step 2 pe aa jate hain, chalo. Step 2 क्या है? Step 2 क्या है? Step 2 क्या है? Step 2 क्या है? So step 2 is encircle the branch, students. और अभी ये स्टेप्स कहाँ पे है स्टूडेंट्स? आपको लगेगा ये सारे स्टेप्स सर टेक्स्ट बुक में दिए हैं क्या? टेक्स्ट बुक में स्टेप्स नहीं दिए हैं. दिस इज आवर टेक्निक, ये हमारा टेक्निक है. दिस इज माय टेक्निक टू लेट यू नो कि which are the simple steps and how you should go ahead so as to make zero mistakes. Okay, तो ये steps आप follow कर सकते हो. Encircle the branch और functional group. Okay, encircle the branch और functional group. चलो यहाँ पे branch कौन सा है students? Who will tell me which is branch over here? Which is branch over here? Which is branch over here? CS3. What is the name of the branch? What is the name of the branch? Well done, Drosha.
Methyl.
Methyl is right answer. Chalo, encircle kar lo, and with pencil, students, you'll write over there methyl. Let us write methyl. Is this understood? Encircling करना है. Make sure students, जब भी आप Chem 2 lecture के लिए बैठो ना, तो आपके पास multiple पेन होना चाहिए. Red color, blue color, black color, green color. So अलग अलग colors आप use करो. ठीक है? So मैंने अभी क्या किया, ये अपन practice कर रहे हैं ना, practice में we can use different colors. ठीक है? पेंसिल कैसा लाइट हो जाता है थोड़े दिन बाद. Okay, so मैंने मिथाइल भी लिख दिया. Is there any functional group, students, like alcohol or acidic functional group or aldehyde or ketone
sir.
or ester? No, absolutely no. Very good, shabash. Well done, Prachishti. Very good. There is no functional group, students. So what we will do, हम क्या करेंगे students? We will skip this step. ये देखो, ये जो पार्ट है ना, ये पार्ट का हमको टेंशन लेना ही नहीं है. चेक करो, ग्रीन वाला जो अंडरलाइन किया मैंने पार्ट, उस स्टेटमेंट का मुझे टेंशन नहीं लेना है, because there is no functional group. All right. चलो आगे बढ़ जाएं स्टूडेंट्स. हैव यू टेकन स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लो, एंड आई एम श्योर यू हैव रिटन दिस स्टेटमेंट इन योर बुक आल्सो. ठीक है? Can keep on taking screenshot also. By the way, the session is getting recorded, so this session will be by tonight. It will be on YouTube channel and you'll get the link also. Same link होगा जो आपको last time मिला था, उसी link के अंदर same folder में ये video आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So you can go through the lecture once again, but still you can keep on taking screenshots, write it in your book also. चलो, step 2 is done. I'll go to step 3, students. Okay, I'll go to step 3. चलो step 3 क्या है चेक करते हैं. What is step 3? What is step 3? What is step 3? Step 3 will be, ध्यान देना students. Step 3 will be, focus on the word which I'm going to use. Step 3 will be numbering the carbon in the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, give numbering to the carbon. Devesh, mute your audio please. Devesh, mute your audio. Step 3 will be give numbering to the carbons. Okay, give numbering to carbons inside longest chain. So carbons which are present in the longest chain should be numbered. Do I have to, students, do I have to give numbering to the branch? Tell me. branch का मुझे टेंशन लेना है क्या जरा भी? नहीं, टेंशन नहीं लेना है. I should only be worried about the carbons which are present in the longest chain. जो येलो बॉक्स है ना, सिर्फ उसी कार्बन्स का मैं टेंशन लूंगा. चलो स्टार्ट करूं नंबरिंग करना. बट कंडीशन है स्टूडेंट्स. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? देयर इज वन कंडीशन. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? कॉमा करके लिख रहा हूं मैं, ठीक है? कॉमा. start numbering from that end, from which start numbering from the end from where branch, or I'm writing FG, students. FG means functional group in this case. Okay. Start numbering from that end from where branch or functional group is nearest. So functional group or branch should be nearest. उस end से हम चालू करेंगे counting. So now Aradhya will tell me from which end I should start counting the carbons. Aradhya, tell me. Should I start counting from the left hand side or right hand side, Aradhya?
Right hand side, sir.
Okay, right hand side. Aradhya ने बोला right hand side से count करो. So if I start counting from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, है ना? So my branch is coming on which carbon number, Aradhya? From this end, according to you, my branch is on which carbon number?
Third.
Third, that is right answer. Third is right answer. Okay, Ashwini,
Third.
you tell me. Ashwini, you tell me. Others, please mute your audio.
Left hand से भी same ही रहेगा ना?
Voice break हो रहा है, Aradhya.
और left hand side से भी same ही रहेगा ना?
Same ही रहेगा. Very good, very good. I've already got this message from Prashish T in the chat box, students. Any end, we can go ahead with any end, students. Why any end? Because if I start from left hand side also, very well identified by Aradhya. If I start from left hand side also, students, then this will be my carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. Again, I'm getting branch of the third carbon. So in this case, I can start from any end. Okay, Aradhya किसी भी end से start कर सकता है. You people can also start from any end. Why? Because branch is falling on the same third carbon from both the ends. So in this case, it is not a problem. Okay, students. So I'll prefer any one end. चलो मैंने red वाला ही count कर लिया जो आराध्या ने हमको पहले बताया था. Okay, so this is my step 3 done, students. Step 3 is done. Please note this down in your notebooks quickly. Do the numbering part, students. Do the numbering part and make sure you're using red pen initially. We're not going to use red pen in the papers, but initially while you're learning the concept, make sure you're using different color ke pen so that it looks attractive, it looks colorful, it looks interesting, it looks enticing. आप जाओ और concept की तरफ, आपको समझ में, आपको मजा आना चाहिए आपका book देख के, ठीक है? चलो done. Step 3 is done, students. Should we go ahead with step 4?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Follow these steps. Okay,
Yes,
students,
sir.
ये step follow करोगे तो definitely you're not going to get any mistake. You're not going to perform any mistake. Up simply you'll get to the right answer each and every time, 100% of time. Okay, so I'll delete this. Everything I'll delete and I'll come to my step 4. Chalo, step 4 पे आ जाते हैं students. What is step 4? I'll take a pencil. Okay, Drusha will help us in this. I'll take a pencil and I'll try to name the box. I'll try to name the box, that is yellow box, which is my longest chain, according to the total number of carbons present in that chain. And plus I'll also try to name the branch, which I've already done. So over here I'll write step 4 will be name the box. Box means what, students? Longest continuous carbon chain. Name the box according to the total number of carbons present in it. And the functional group. Okay. And you have to functional group or branch. Functional group or branch. चलो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Name the box or and branch or functional group. Whenever there is functional group, students, you will have to write only suffix. You will have to write only suffix. समझ में आया? Suppose functional group रहा. Suppose OH होता है यहाँ पे, students. अगर OH होता तो मैं OH के लिए क्या लिखता? I would have written
All.
All very
Oh.
good, shabash. Well done, well done, well done. I heard Ashwini, I heard Soham also. You just had to write well done, Prashishti. I would have written only OL. Understood? इसके लिए मैं क्या लिखता, पेंसिल से जाके इसको एनसर्कल करता. सपोज यहाँ पे होता OH, सपोज यहाँ पे OH होता, तो मैं क्या करता पता है, मैं इसको एनसर्कल करता एंड यहाँ पे पेंसिल से I could have written OL. That's it. This is known as suffix. क्योंकि नेम के एंड में आया ना, तो इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे, सफिक्स. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? नाम के जो पहले आता है उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रीफिक्स, इफ यू रिमेंबर प्रॉपर्ली. ठीक है? सो फंक्शन. Yes, Devesh, any doubt? बार बार ऑडियो अनम्यूट हो जा रहा है देवेश का. Okay, chalo, understood students? So if there is functional group, you have to write suffix. If there is no functional group, don't worry about it. If there is just branch, write the name of the branch with pencil. This is my step 4. Chalo students, who will tell me? Yes, Trusha. Tell me the name of the box, Trusha. With pencil, I'll write over here. What is the name of the box? According to the total number of carbons. Pentane is right answer. Well done. Pentane is right answer. Pentane is right answer. ये देखो students, branch का भी नाम तो already हमने लिख दिया है, which is methyl. Name of the main box is pentane. This is step 4. Please take a screenshot. Note it down in your notebook also. Note this down in your notebook also, students. Let us go ahead with step 5 now. Final step. Okay. Okay, students. Now, while learning, you can break this 5 steps into 8 steps also. Not a problem. Only thing is you have to follow the order. You don't have to be in hurry. Okay, chalo. I'll go to next step now, students. Next step is final step. Final step. So last step is write the final name. So how I'll approach the final name, students? Always remember, yes. I've already started to get the final answers in my chat box. Aryan has sent me 3-methyl pentane. That is perfect answer, Aryan. That is perfect answer. 3-methyl. Okay, no problem. Devesh, no problem. Yes, 3-methyl pentane. That is right answer, Aryan. Well done. Students, अपन कैसे लिखेंगे ध्यान देना, ठीक है? Please focus over here. First thing which we should always write is the name of the longest box. ठीक है? तो हमको त्रुषा ने बताया. त्रुषा ने क्या बोला? Pentane. So I'll write pentane over here, students. Check करो. I'll write pentane over here. जैसे आप अपना सरनेम लिखते हो ना, वैसे सबसे पीछे अपन pentane लिखेंगे एंड आगे हम ब्रांचेस के नाम लिखेंगे. So what is the name of the branch? Methyl. Well done, Ashwini Pandey. That is right answer. Ashwini Pandey, that is right answer. So branch is methyl, students. Methyl is present on which carbon? Which carbon? हमको आराध्य ने बताया था. Yes, it is present on third carbon. So we will write in this pattern, students. 3-methyl. Focus on the letter M, students. Letter M पे focus करो. I've written M in small letters or capital. बोलो मुझे. Capital. Very good. Rest all the letters are in small font. Check karo, students. Everything is in small font. So only the first letter in IUPAC should always be capital. Only the first letter in IUPAC should always be capital. Rest all the letters have to be small. Okay, students. And if you have noticed properly, between a number and a letter, we will have a hyphen. That is dash. Between a number and a letter, we have a hyphen. Check karo, students. Check karo, students.
Yes, sir.
Dikh raha hai aapko? Perfect.
Yes.
So this is my final answer. 3-methyl pentane. We have some more rules, but we will come to them as and when we have more and more examples. Okay, 3-methyl pentane. Chalo, students, done. Anybody has any doubt up till now? Please tell me, students. Any doubts up till now?
No, sir.
Any doubts up till now? No,
No,
शाबाश.
sir.
चलो, आदर्श तिवारी समझ में आ रहा है? आदर्श समझ में आ रहा है सब?
Yes, sir.
यस, शाबाश. चल आदर्श, एक्टिव हो जा, ठीक है? कल कैसे एक्टिव था वैसे मुझे चाहिए एक्टिव हो जा. तेरे आंसर्स फटाफट आने चाहिए मुझे. फटाफट से ऑडियो ऑन करना है, धनाधन आंसर्स देते रहना है, ठीक है? ओके, एवरीवन. अपने पास ये बैच में बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे जो धनाधन आंसर्स देते हैं. We have Soham, we have Ashwini, we have Kuljit, अक्षत, ये सारे एकदम मारुति मुनार्क, ये सारे धनाधन आंसर्स देने वाले हैं. ठीक है? और भी बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, but I want everyone to be shouting out the answers. क्विकली फटाफट आंसर्स चिल्ला के बोलना है. अभी फिलहाल सुबह खाली त्रुषा is looking very active. त्रुषा खाली आंसर दे दी, बाकी तो शांति में बैठे हैं, शांति से आराम कर रहे हैं. एकदम स्लीपी लग रहे हैं. Okay, चलो. Should I give you another example, students? Let us attempt another example. ठीक है. Now I'll
Yes,
not
sir.
write the steps. अब मैं steps नहीं लिखूंगा. Very rapidly we will go. ठीक है. Fast जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. You people just let me know. और कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं, अगर आपको ना समझे just let me know. Switch on your audio and tell me, sir, please stop and repeat that step. So I'll repeat that step. Okay. चलो. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3, students. Chalo. Please draw this structure in your book, students. Quickly draw this structure in your book first. Draw this structure in your book first, quickly. पहले स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लो. स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करो पहले, सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है. दिस मीटिंग is going to end, so you have to join me again by using the same link and password. Okay, by the time you join me again by using the same link and password, आप अपना स्ट्रक्चर भी साथ साथ में ड्रॉ करते रहो. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग न्यू मीटिंग. ओके, मैं ये मीटिंग एंड कर रहा हूँ. आप वापस से सेम लिंक एंड पासवर्ड यूज करो जो ग्रुप पे मैंने सेंड किया है, एंड फिर से मीटिंग ज्वाइन करो. कैमरा ऑन हो जाना चाहिए, मुझे बोलने की जरूरत ना पड़े. ठीक है. 3 minutes are remaining.
Yes,
चलो एक
sir.
काम करते हैं, ये सॉल्व करके चलते हैं, ये सॉल्व करके चलते हैं. 3 minutes are remaining. ये सॉल्व करके ही जाएंगे. चलो. सो मेरे हिसाब से तो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन मुझे कौन सा दिख रहा है पता है स्टूडेंट्स? प्रशिष्टि बाय द वे हैज ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड. प्रशिष्टि ने ऑलरेडी आंसर दे दिया मुझे. I've got answer from Soham also. Well done, Soham. Prashishti, Soham, both the answers are correct. Okay, Ashwini has answers. Okay, Ashwini, no problem, no problem. Soham and Prashishti, Oza, your answers are correct, but only thing is you people have not followed the rule of capital letter and small letter. Remember, हमने capital letter वाला बोला था.
Yes.
Yes, very good, shabash. Well done, Prem. Well done, Prem. Chalo. Okay, students. So, longest continuous carbon chain is this one. If you've identified correctly, well done to you. This is the longest continuous carbon chain. This is the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay, already Soham ne and Prashishti ने मुझे answers भेज दिए हैं. Right answers हैं Soham and Prashishti. Step 1 done, students. Step 1 हो गया. Step 2 क्या था? Who will tell me? Mehul, tell me step 2. No, Aryan, that is wrong answer. That is wrong answer. Step 2 क्या था?
Sir, identifying the functions.
No, no, no. क्या
Branch
लिखा
of
था?
the branch or function group.
Very good, Devesh.
Lying
Very
out.
good, Devesh. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? शाबाश, Devesh. Encircle the branch or functional group. Encircle the branch or functional group. Encircle the branch or functional group. हमने encircle कर दिया. हमारे पास एक ही branch है बस. हमारे पास एक ही branch है. Correct है? Correct है, students. We just have one branch. So we have
Yes, sir.
encircled that branch. Okay. Step 3. Who will tell me step 3? Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Giving numbering to
Give
the
numbering
carbon
of
inside the
carbon
long-
inside the long.
Very well done, Mehul
Longest
Kadam.
chain.
So which end we should start numbering, students? From left hand side or right hand side?
Left hand side. Left.
Left hand side is right answer.
Right.
Because ये देखो दोनों साइड से काउंट करके देख लो students. If you start from left hand side, you will get your branch on the 3rd carbon. If you start from right hand side, okay, if you start from right hand side, you will get your branch on the 5th carbon. 5th carbon, 5th carbon. Check करो students, है ना? You'll get
Yes,
it on
sir.
5th
Yes,
carbon.
sir.
5th carbon पे आ जाएगा, which is wrong. Correct? Correct, students? So इसलिए हमको कहाँ से काउंटिंग करनी है? 3rd. Left hand side से हमको काउंटिंग करनी है. Left hand side से. Okay, so branch is coming on 3rd carbon, students. It's coming on 3rd carbon. Now, step 4.
Name
Hello. Aradhya,